so glad you're here. And at this time, your student is going to stand and introduce themselves to the group. And they'll also introduce you. And then we'll just move around the table with introductions. After introductions, we'll have some dinner. And so we welcome you. We'll start right here.
Caitlin, and this is my guest, Mrs. Clark. My name is Caitlin Coldplay, and I invited Mrs. Boston.
I'm Riley, and I invited Mr. Worman.
Hi, my name is Alexia, and I invited Miss Bobble. Hi, my name is Nicole, and I invited Mrs. Ryan. Hello, my name is Kevin, and I invited Mrs. Safer. I'm Brady, and I invited Miss Keith. I'm Jace, and I invited Miss Roberts. I'm Benjamin, and I invited Miss Scurry.
I am Rudy Wilkinson, and I invited Mrs. Neff. I'm Lincoln Bearberger, and I invited Mrs. Cozio.
Okay, well, thank you so much. We have a few other guests in our midst. Dr. Wagner, our superintendent, is here. He also provided dessert this evening, so we're quite grateful for that. And there's other staff members here as well. But while we wait for dinner to come out, please enjoy visiting with your student.
That does look, that's all the
Take your water goblet and your guests, remember we're getting them from the bottom, right? And come and get some.
Thank you so much.
Broccoli, lasagna, and garlic bread.